So this is Dr. Taylor, and I am here for a quick video to answer a couple of questions that I've gotten about the literature reviews and the things that you guys need to do in order to complete them. So I went ahead and put up an example of the best quality literature review that I've received. So, because a number of you asked about an example, so I put one up from a former student, Miss Brea Lewis, who did an exceptional job. And so you can see what the top quality A paper looks like for the literature review that is due on Friday. A couple of you have also asked about the assignment where it says where it is due. On eCourses in bold, it says assignment submitted to the Turnitin link in week 15, and then in parentheses, it says April 29th. That is because that is where you're supposed to submit it. It is not when it's due. So I want you guys to make sure part of this class and being successful in this class is taking a deep breath, reading all of the words that are there, and then interpreting the meaning of said words. So a lot of you, your questions and your panic have been because, and I know that they're coming from the fact that you're not reading. So you need to stop, read, and then think about what you've read, right? If you do that, you're gonna be successful in this course, but you've got to read what's there, okay? So let's take some time and make sure you do that. Some of the other questions that I've received are about your midterm grades. So a number of you, the biggest place where people have lost points on both the exam, well, not both, actually in all three areas, the exam, the topic memo, and the journals has been on source citation. And all semester through emails and other videos that I've posted up, I've told you guys, pay attention to source citation. This course is predominantly about research writing. Research writing is about source citation accuracy and critical thinking. So you need to make sure that you're really using those skills and demonstrating that you can use those skills. Source citation, there's no hack, there's no easy fix, there's no quick option. The only option there is to follow the directions. Read the source citation manual, do what the source citation manual tells you to do. Do not rely, I cannot stress this enough, do not rely on any electronic source for creating source citation for you. None of them are 100% accurate. The most accurate ones are also the most expensive. So the most accurate ones are gonna be like Evernote or no, I'm sorry, not Evernote, EndNote, or there are a couple of other proprietary softwares that can do source citation. All of those source citations softwares, the ones that do between, I would say 85 to 98% of the source citation correctly, cost upwards of $400 and $500. I'm a professional scholar. My job involves me writing for journals, which requires me to be accurate in my source citation 100% of the time, and I don't spend $500 on source citation materials and software. Why? Because source citation is just about doing it right and following the directions in the book. The book costs 20 bucks. And it, 2 hours of my time to do 400 sources correctly? Do the sources correctly. It's not hard. It does take time. I'm not gonna tell you it's gonna be something you can do in 5 minutes because that's not true. It's definitely gonna take you a couple of hours to do source citation correctly. But it's worth a couple of hours because that couple of hours that you invest in yourself in doing the source citation correctly could often be the difference between an A and a C, or even the difference between an A and a D. So you want to make sure that you're taking the time to do the source citation correctly, okay? So I think that is all that I had as far as the major questions that you guys had around the literature review, source citations, and the midterm grade. Take a look at eCourses for the examples of how to do the literature review, and then for the rubric and the lecture around the literature review and how it's supposed to be done. All right. If you have any other questions, feel free to stop by during office hours or next week, or send me an email or a call. My Google Voice number is listed on the syllabus. All right. Have a great day. Bye.